Hi guys, welcome to Memo's tutorials. If you're having any challenges with factorizing quadratic expression using the completing of square method, this is the perfect video for you. If you already know, it's also the best video for you to improve your skills. So the first thing, given a quadratic expression in this form, x squared plus bx plus c, and they ask you to factorize it using the completing of square method, this is what you are going to do. We are going to use the formula, the completing of square formula, which is saying x plus b over 2 all squared minus b over 2 all squared. So I want you to have a look at which number is our b. So b is the coefficient of x. You must master that. B is the coefficient of x. Okay. So in this case, our first example that we're going to look at is x squared plus 10x. X squared plus 10x. So using the completing of square formula, we are going to say x plus 10 over 2 close bracket all to the power 2 minus 10 over 2 all to the power 2. Okay, 10 over 2, we know it's a 5, so it's x plus 5 all squared minus 10 over 2 is a 5, so minus 5 squared, which is x plus 5 all squared minus, we know 5 to the power 2 is 25, right? So our final answer here is going to be x plus 5 all squared minus 25. Okay, then the second one, on the second one, they were given 4x squared minus 8x plus 12, and they've asked us to factorize using the completing of square method. I want you guys to take note of this. The coefficient of 4 in this, of x squared in this case, it's a 4. So that method that I highlighted there, that I wrote for you there, it only works when the coefficient of x squared is a 1. Okay, so in this case, the coefficient of x squared is a 4. So what are we going to do? We're going to factor out our 4, and then we're going to remain with x squared minus 2x plus 3. You guys must take note of that. The completing of square method, this formula only works when the coefficient of x squared is a 1. So in this case, now we can continue. The coefficient of x squared now is a 1. So we're going to put our 4 outside, open a big bracket, and then we're going to use our formula, which says x plus b over 2 all squared. So the first bracket is x plus minus 2 over 2 all squared minus 2 over 2 squared plus a 3. 3 is our constant, that's our c, plus a 3. Okay, I'm going to close my big bracket because this 4 also affects my 3 that is in there, that is there. Okay, so I'll open here, I'm gonna write it like this. It's 4, and then x plus minus 2 over 2, it's minus 1. Plus and a minus is going to be a negative. Let me get rid of this plus. So it's going to be x minus 1 all squared minus 2 over 2 is a 1. Okay, so it's minus 2 over 2. Minus 2 over 2 is just a 1. Minus 1 squared will get a positive 1. But because of this minus, we'll still get a minus here. Okay, plus 3. Close my bracket. So it's 4. Open my big bracket, my small bracket there. I've got x minus 1 all squared minus 1 plus 3 is the same as 3 minus 1, which is a 2. Okay, so it's going to be a positive 2. We close the big bracket. Okay, so we can leave it. If we put back our 4 in there, it's going to be 4 x minus 1 squared plus 8, because 4 times 2 is a 8. This is going to be our final answer. Hopefully you guys benefited from this video. For more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification button. Thank you.